Have you ever been turned down for a loan because of your bad credit? It's a frustrating experience, but it doesn't have to be the end of the world. There is a way to get a loan even if your credit score is low. Millions of people have bad credit. It can be caused by a variety of factors, such as late payments, medical bills, or job loss. Whatever the reason, bad credit can make it difficult to get approved for a loan. But don't worry, there is a secret hack that can help you get a loan even if you have bad credit. This hack is called a secured loan. A secured loan is a loan that is backed by collateral. This means that if you fail to repay the loan, the lender can take the collateral. Imagine that you're trying to buy a car, but you have bad credit. You've been turned down for a loan at multiple banks, but then you learn about secured loans. You decide to apply for a secured loan and you're approved. You're able to buy the car of your dreams even though you have bad credit. So, how do you get a secured loan? Stay tuned for the next video where I'll teach you everything you need to know about secured loans and how to apply for one. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel and like this video so you don't miss the next video. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.